Hello everyone. Are you wondering about how to crack your IELTS test in 1 month? Would you like to get a band 8 plus by just preparing for 30 days? We of course can help you with that. Today we are going to share our secret 1 month study plan that will help you ace your IELTS test like a pro. But what if you have got 15 days or 7 days? Don't worry, we have got you covered. With the help of these study plans, you can definitely score a band 8 plus. So make sure that you watch till the end of this video. If you find our videos useful, don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on the important lessons we have for you to help you crack your IELTS test. This is your IELTS expert Sakshi. Now let's dive in. Before I give you more details of the IELTS study plans, you should know that there's a method to approach the IELTS test or any English language test. Firstly, in order to get a good score in English language test, you should work upon improving your overall language level. Secondly, you should take the effort to understand the format and nuances of the IELTS test. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the study plans for 7 days, 15 days and 30 days. Also, we are going to provide you study plan PDF which you can find in a description box. So make sure that you check that and it will surely be very beneficial for your IELTS test preparation. Now, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. First, let's discuss the 7 days study plan. Do note that you should not prepare only for 7 days unless there's an emergency and there's no other way. In this case, you will not be able to focus on the first point of approach that I stated earlier, that is improving your English language skills. All you need to do is get acquainted with the exam test format and cover the main strategies. That way, you'll be able to perform better during your test. Here's the 7 days study plan for IELTS. Day 1. Understand the format of the IELTS test. Day 2. Learn the strategies for IELTS listening. Day 3. Learn the strategies for IELTS reading. Day 4. Learn the strategies for IELTS writing task 1. Day 5. Learn the strategies for IELTS writing task 2. Day 6. Learn the strategies for IELTS speaking. And day 7. Look at the last minute tips and tricks and do a practice mock test. Make sure that you apply the strategies that you have learned. Now let's take a look at your 15-day study plan. This is a little similar to your 7-day study plan, but here we are going to extend it. In the 15-day study plan, of course, you are going to understand a test format and do some practice tests. However, now you're going to learn the strategies of each module in a detailed manner. Day 1. Look at the format and evaluation of the test. Check that video in the I button or description box. Day 2. Understand the band descriptors and evaluation process for each module. Day 3. Do a practice mock test to see where you stand. Day 4. Learn the strategies for IELTS listening. Day 5. Continue with the strategies for IELTS listening. Day 6. Learn the strategies for IELTS reading. Day 7. Continue with the strategies for IELTS reading. Day 8. Learn the strategies for IELTS writing task 1. Day 9. Continue with the strategies for writing task 1. Day 10. Learn the strategies for IELTS writing task 2. Day 11. Continue with the strategies for IELTS writing task 2. Day 12. Learn the strategies for IELTS speaking. Day 13. Continue with the strategies for IELTS speaking. Day 14. Do a practice test and reflect on your errors. And day 15. Do another practice test and reflect on your errors. Great, so we have looked at both the 7 days and the 15 days study plan. Now we will look at the IELTS preparation for 1 month. Now this is going to be a proper solid plan and we are going to cover both points of approach that I spoke about at the beginning of this video. Day 1. We're going to understand the IELTS test format. Day 2, you're going to analyze the evaluation techniques. Day 3, do a practice test to see where you are standing before you start learning. Day 4, do listening self-study activities to improve your listening skills. You can listen to a podcast, watch English movies without subtitles, or listen to English songs until your exams get over. Day 5, learn the strategies for IELTS listening test and understand what signposting language is. Day 6, concentrate on the harder question types and learn the strategies for the same. Let's say map labeling. Day 7, concentrate on the other harder question types and learn the strategies. That is MCQs. Day 8, take several listening practice tests. Day 9, do reading self-study activities to improve your reading skills. You can read newspapers, magazines, online blogs, or English books to improve your reading skills. Day 10, learn the strategies for IELTS reading and understand what skimming and scanning are. Day 11, concentrate on the harder question types. You can take true first not given or yes no not given and learn the strategies. Day 12, concentrate on the other harder question types and learn the strategies. In this case, it would be matching headings. And day 13, take several reading practice tests. Day 14, do writing self-study activities to improve your writing skills. You can write emails, blogs, daily journal, or letters to an English speaker. Day 15, learn about the types of task 1 and the structure. Day 16, continue with learning the types of writing task 1 and the structure. Day 17, understand and learn the task 1 vocabulary. Day 18, learn the grammar topics which are important for writing task. They are tenses, prepositions of time, subject-verb agreement. Day 19, learn about the types of writing task 2 and the structure. Day 20, continue with learning about the types of writing task 2 and the structure. Day 21, learn the various linkers and cohesive devices important for your writing task 2. Day 22, take several writing practice tests. Day 23, do the speaking self-study activities to improve your speaking skills. You can practice speaking in English with the help of your friends, or you can speak with English speakers on Skype. Day 24, learn the various sections in your speaking test and the band descriptors. Day 25, learn the needful vocabulary for the speaking topics as there is a vast number of topics. Day 26, learn how to answer a cue card and remember how to use the fillers. Day 27, learn the strategies to answer the questions of part 3. Day 28, take several speaking practice tests. Day 29, do a self-study activity. For this, you can pick a topic that you like. You can listen to a podcast about it. You can read about it. Then try writing about what you have listened to or read, and then speak about it with someone. Day 30, take a full practice test and apply all the strategies that you have learned so far. And don't forget to compare the results with your first practice mock test. Let me tell you again that we have created the complete study plan for 7 days, 15 days and 30 days for your IELTS preparation. You can access these study plans for free by visiting the link in the description box. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the description box, download these study plans and start preparing. If you found this IELTS study plan useful, do let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS exam updates. This is your IELTS trainer Sakshi signing off. I'll see you very soon with a new lesson. Till then, take care and bye-bye.